that for you?
Hi, wait on a second. Sorry? I think we need to go.
Are you all buckled in? Your sister help you out? Whoa!
Strap in a little tight. He doesn't know a little bit, so I need to help him get strapped in.
Your sister's a pretty nice big sister, isn't she? Yeah.
Can we buckle him in?
I think you got it. You can do it. Just gotta push. Yay! You want me to help you a little bit?
Yeah.
You want to do the other side? Look at you, big boy. Hey, Bugaboo.
She can stay in there for a real long.
You want to give him a kissy now? Aww. You got a nice big sister, don't you, huh?
Hey, Mama.
You want to watch her play with her pollies now?
Where's this skinny dad? They can't
Show it to Kai Kai? Yeah, that's two puppies. Yeah.
They're skinny.
Yeah, skinny puppies. Okay, I'll get you out of there.
Why? No, why he can't? Why did he say it's what? That's wrong.
Let me see you do it. Let's see.
Okay. Bust out.